Hi, Manaan. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. I am so happy to have a sister-in-law like you who's always supportive at very mapagmahal sa lahat ng mga in-laws. And my birthday wish for you is good health and sana kung ano pa yung mga gusto mo pang ma-achieve sa buhay, this will all happen soon. Okay, happy birthday and love you.
Hello Manangan, happy birthday. This is your day. Sabi ko lang sa'yo, ang bait-bait mo and very supportive. Lalo na pag nandito ka sa Manila, feel ko talaga yung concern mo sa lahat ng members ng family natin. And alam ko na very proud sa yung mga anak mo ngayon. Alam ko na you are always there for them and napakasipag. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Okay.
Hello Mama Ani, happy birthday. Thank you po sa lahat ng ginagawa niyo para sa amin, lalo na po sa pagpunta niyo ng birthday ko. Kahit po mabagyo at mabaha, nakarating pa rin po kayo. Ang wish ko po para sa inyo ay good health, more success sa career, and sana po matupad po yung birthday wish niyo. Happy birthday! Love you po! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday,
Happy
Manaan!
birthday.
Blow!